welcome to the Minecraft Family channel. Today I have some finishes that I just wanted to show you briefly, and I have some two small paintings that I just wanted to show you. This one had 30 colors and you can see it here. People in the rain. I think it turned out really pretty. It's 40 times 50. I don't think that's the true to size, but I think it's around 40 times 30 or something. But it's really cute. I really like it. I don't know what it's doing here, but that's just a glare. It's, if I just, can you see that? So a lot of shimmer in it. I think I'm going to frame it at some point. It was really nice to work on. There was a lot of confetti in it, as you can see here when you come closer to it. It needs to be cleaned. And as you can see, a lot of sparkle. Really nice drills. Let's go close. So yeah. And yeah, easy to place. Nice vibrant colors. So definitely one I'm going to recommend. I'm going to find the price and so on for you and link them below. I can't find it at the moment, but I think I bought this one off AliExpress. And then I finished this one, the little teddy bear. Yeah, this was a bit of a confusing painting because for the first time ever they swapped around all of the colors. So 01 was the see-through one, the crystal one, and was supposed to be placed on the tree. So I placed it all over the tree, and it looked really funny because they have swapped all the colors around. So I found a black one instead, and I just swapped it around, and yeah. Otherwise it looks really good. You can see there's a remnants of it here. I think this one, if I just peel it back, probably also had to be black, but I chose to keep it. It's its own little thingy here. So a fun little project. I'm not going to contact anybody about it because, you know, it only cost $2, so I think it's okay. And there were a lot of beads left over. I just kept this one just to show you how many beads there were. It was used for, I think it's color or something hanging here, and this is the rest of the beads. So lots of good beads on it. Definitely a cheap one. Then I just wanted to show you quickly. Haha! Look at those, aren't they cute? They are, I think they're 41 cents off. No, yeah, 41 cents off AliExpress. So, and they're so cute, and that's including free shipping. So for, I bought 6 of them, and I paid $2.99. You can't beat that price, can you? They're really cute. So, and I think you are able, if you want to use turn them into a drill pen, I think you can do it. I haven't tried, and I'm not going to try. But cute ones. Just a tip. I can link them below. And then I have this one and this one to unbag. But we can start with this one. I just took it out of its plastic covering here. So now I just have to dig in it this way and see what's in it. I don't know what it is that I bought. Let's just see. Oh, so this is one that I bought. I think this one is from, yeah, where did I buy that one? Is that off Joom? Let's see. Where did I buy it? I can't even remember anymore where I bought my things. Let's see. Yeah, this is from Joom. And for this one I paid I paid $6. I think that's a bit much for such a small painting. It's not that cute, but yeah. Really clear drilling. I think this one is really, oh, is it? It's the black ones, and here it's really hard to see. I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see the numbers in it. And I can see there's a 7 and a 9, so you have to guess yourself. I think that they are going to be told off with this one because this is impossible to see. I can't see which numbers is what. So I think I'm going to try and see if I can see it with the light part. So yeah, but pretty blue colors. I'm not going to open it. It's not that exciting. A boat. So one which is going to be easy to do, but no, I'm not happy with this one. I think it's not very cute. So, but that's my opinion though. Just putting this aside again. And then we have sometimes these smaller paintings are really hit and miss, especially when they are partials. So let's see what this one is. I think this could also be of Joam, or I don't know. Let's see where I bought some more paintings from. So this is wrapped inside a plastic bag, and then you've got some other softer wrapping around it instead of the envelope. It's again from Joam. And let's see, this is a horse, I think. And this one is really small as well, but this, oh, that's funny. This one is a small one. I think it was supposed to be 30 times 40 perhaps. Let's see. It's should be, let's see what the description says. 30 times 40. It's not even close to be 30 times 40. Not even the size of the canvas is a 30 times 40. So this is way off. It's 25 times what? Times 20. So, but it's a Fundo one though, and I think it's okay. Just if you see the painting, I think it's going to be okay to see. But what is really funny about it is that this is a rhinestone one, and it didn't say that on the drilling area. It just said round resin diamonds, and then it didn't say anything else. But it was put down from around $100 to $5. So that sounds really ridiculous. But yeah, this is definitely a rhinestone one with some ordinary ones inside. So here you've got, they are not DMC colors. There's no 310. This is definitely a 310, I will say. Yeah, this is a 310, and then there's a gray one. So you can see here 310, and then there's the clear one, a normal gray one, a brown reddish one, and then there's a gray one. Just going to see if I can get some more light in here to see if I am able to make it clearer for you to see. Here is the, yeah, it's a clear one as well as the other one. It's more dull, this one, than this one. I don't know if you can see that, but this is more dull. And then there's a brown one, beige one, a golden yellow one, and then there's this more clear one. I think that there are some liquid in here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. I don't know what quite to make of these, but as you can see, there's some shimmer in it. Not really pleased with them. They're not what they promised to be, but yeah. This was my unboxing my whips, and not whips, my finished ones, and yeah. I hope you're doing well, and talk to you soon in the next video. Bye for now, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also all those things. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye.